Take your aesthetic practice to the next level with Empire Medical Training 2-day laser therapy training. Learn to master cutting-edge laser and light-based technologies for aesthetic and dermatologic treatments. This hands-on, intensive program covers everything from laser physics and safety to real-world applications like hair removal, skin tightening, body contouring, and more. Gain the skills and confidence to offer the latest treatments in cosmetic lasers. You'll learn from top-tier experts and work with the industry's leading manufacturers. Compare and evaluate the newest technologies available and understand how to make the right investment for your practice, whether it's new, used, or refurbished. Our training doesn't stop at the treatments. We'll teach you how to market your new services, price them effectively, and grow your practice. Transform your practice with Empire Medical Training, 2-day laser therapy training. The latest technology, hands-on experience, proven results. Register now and be part of the future of aesthetic care. Call us today at 844-565-3131 or visit empiremedicaltraining.com for more information.